Does this look familiar? You found the perfect home in New Jersey, but your credit score just slammed the door shut. It's heartbreaking. You feel stuck. You start to think that the dream of owning your own home is just impossible. But I'm here to tell you it's not. Hi, I'm John Valentine, but my friends call me Uncle John. And for years, I've helped families right here in New Jersey turn impossible into I'm a homeowner. I've put my entire plan into a simple guide called the Credit Readiness Blueprint. It's yours, my gift to you. Click the sign up button now and get the exact steps to prepare your credit for your dream home. Don't let a number hold back your family's future. It's time to get ready.